Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home.
Hi kids. See, look at these symbol, words and examples. Today you're going to learn this symbol in math subject. Okay, see the symbols given here. See what symbol it is. Look at this deeply. What it is? It is equal symbol. What it is? Equal. What is the spelling for equal? I write this in words here. I give here in words. See, symbols are here. Then for that I give words. See, equal sign. For that I given here spelling. Look at this deeply. Equal. E Q U A L. Equal. What is the spelling for equal? EQUAL. Equal. This is the equal symbol. What it is? Equal symbol. Okay, let's see the example for this equal. See, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Look at this sum. See, 1 plus 1. What is the total value of this side? See the equal sign. Before this, given numbers are 1 plus 1. What is the value, total value of these numbers? Yes, 2. What is the value of these numbers?
1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1. What is the total value? Yes. Correct. 2. Look at my fingers. 1 plus 1. How many? 2. Am I right? 1. Listen here. 1 plus 1. Altogether 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Listen here. 1 plus 1. What is the value of these two numbers? 2. 2 equal 2. See, this value is 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, instead of this 1 plus 1, I write here 2. Okay. So, I am going to cut this. Instead of this, I write here 2. Then this sign equal. Then this 2 will come down. Okay. 2 equal 2. This is the meaning of this. Okay. 1 plus 1 equal 2 is 2 equal 2. Okay. Both are same. 1 plus 1 or else we can write 2. Okay. Both are same value. No. So 2 is equal to 2. Have you understood? So that we use equal sign here. Okay, so that we use equal sign here. This is equal sign. What is this? Equal sign. This is spelling for equal. Then this is example for that. Okay, then shall we move to the next one? See, look at this sign. What it is? Not equal to sign. What it is? Not equal to sign. What it is? Not equal. See, equal sign, then put one cross mark. Okay. See, equal sign, then crossing here. Okay, this is not equal sign. What it is? Not equal. Okay. What is the spelling for not equal? N-O-T, not. Equal. E-Q-U-A-L, equal. 2, T-O-2. Not equal to. Then, I give one example here. See here. 1 plus 1 is not equal to 1. See here 1 plus 1. What is the value of this? 2. Okay. Here we see that, So, what is the value of this? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is not equal to 1. Okay. Is not equal to 1. What is the value of this 1 plus 1? 2. Okay. Then not equal to 1. 2 and 1 both are equal. No. This number is big number. This one is small number. 2 is big number. 1 is small number. So, both are not equal. Okay. So, we use your not equal sign. Equal sign. These two are not equal. So, we put here not equal sign. Have you understood, children? Shall we move to the next one? Yes. See what sign it is? Yes, greater than sign. What sign it is? Greater than. See, greater than. Greater than. What is the spelling for greater than? See, G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater than. T-H-A-N. Than. Greater than. Okay. What is spelling for greater than? G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater than. T-H-A-N. Than. Greater than. Okay, greater than. Sign is here. Greater than. Okay, look at this sign deeply. See, it does look like a beak of a bat. No. Have you ever seen the beak of a bat? Okay, birds, see this? Look at the sign. It's look like a bird's beak. Am I right, kids? Yes. Okay, come to the example. Look at this side. See, 5 is greater than this 2. Yes, 5 is a big number. See, 2 is a small number. Okay, I give you one more example. I give this in detail so that you can easily understand. Yes, kids, come to the next page. Look at this, children. Greater than symbol. See the sign given here. See the mouth of a, beak of a bird. See, its wide gap is given here. This side is small, no? Yes, kids. Look at the sign. It's look like a beak of a bird, no? Yes, kids. It's look like a beak of a bird. Yeah. See the wide gap is given here. Yes. See the wide gap. If there is a wide gap, that side will come the big number. See, the big number is in wide gap side. See, this side is pointed, pointed up is here. So, this side small number will come. See, see the greater than symbol. This side is wide gap is given here. Okay, this side small gap. See, small. There is no gap. Just see it's end in sharp. Am I right, kids? Okay. See, this wide gap side, big number will come. Okay, this is a clue for you. Wide gap side, see the gap. Okay, so this side big number will come. So what is the sign? It is greater than sign. This is a way you have to put sign. Okay, this is a way you have to put sign. Okay, big number in wide gap side. See this pointed side. See pointed end. This side must write the small number.
Okay. So, listen how to put the sign according to this number. See, big number side, the white gap must come. Okay, this is the way you have to put sign. Okay, see the big number 5, this side small number 2. Okay, have you understood? Shall we move to the next one? This is greater than symbol. It's very easy now. Okay, let's move to the next page. See, look at this, children. Yes, less than sign. How to draw less than sign? This is the way you have to put sign. Very easy, no? Yes, kids, look at this. 7, small number compared to this 9. Am I right? 9 is big number. 7 is small number. So you must put the less than sign in this way. Okay. How to draw less than sign? This is less than sign. Okay. How to draw small number side? This pointed place given here. No. This side only the small number must come. Okay. See the white gap given here. Gap. See, white gap side, big number. Big gap is providing here, no? So, big number must come this side. Okay, have you understood? Shall we move to the first page? Yes, kids. Come. Yes. Listen. This is a greater than sign. Greater than spelling. I give one example here. 5 is greater than 2. See the next sign. See, less than sign. Less than. What is the spelling for less than? Lesssthan. Less than. Less less. Than. Than. Less than. See, this is the less than sign. I give one example here. Yes, 7 is less than 9. 7 is small number. 9 is big number. So, the white gap side.
Thanks for listening, kids.